Can you say this simple word correctly? It's pronounced.
Condom.
Let's break it down.
This word is often mispronounced. The correct way is condom. Start with con, like the word con, then a soft dum. Together, condom, not conodome. Keep it smooth and short. Now, let's practice it 3 times together. Condom, condom, condom. Got it right? If yes, you just said it more confidently than most people ever dare.
Got it? Let's practice it together. Repeat after me.
Condom, 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 condom.
Now it's your turn. Drop a comment if you nailed it or if you need more tips. Subscribe for more pronunciation guides. And here's a fun challenge. Record yourself, post it, and tag us.